Hey guys, welcome to SGV's vlog, and for today's video, I'll be sharing with you our beach experience somewhere in Batangas dahil guys, may chance pa kayo para sulitin yung natitirang araw bago totally magtag-ulan. So, here's the Brisamar Beach Resort in Batangas with its 5-layered infinity pools overlooking a beach with an awesome sunset. It's inviting you for a fun getaway with friends, family, and loved ones. And this is only one of the fun rides that you can try here at Brisamar Resort, the banana boat ride, wherein our kids enjoy the most. You'll also enjoy snorkeling here dahil super clear ng tubig. Ayan, kita pa rin yung bato sa ilalim from the surface. And our boys found this bamboo raft na palutang-lutang lang sa gitna that they used para mabilad ng sobrang bongga sa araw. I mean, para makapag-relax and bonggang kwentuhan. Pero sa mababaw na part ay medyo malabo yung tubig. So, you need to go deeper and farther para ma-experience nyo yung super linaw ng tubig. From this bamboo raft, you'll get the front view of the resort. Ayan, nagkaroon ng chance si Arden na masolo tong bamboo raft. And here's the video of their banana boat ride. So, you'll know how exciting and how fun their ride was. Bali, si Derek ang nag-record ng video pero hindi niya sure kung nakuhanan niya ng maayos kasi lahat ng tubig ay napupunta sa mukha niya. At kahit ngawit na ngawit siya, ay hindi niya maipasa yung cam sa likod dahil he didn't want to let go of his grip dun sa banana boat. So habang enjoy na enjoy sila Arden, Sianed, Carl, Jade, RJ, and Deron sa likod, ay sumisigaw naman si Derek na ayoko na. But finally naipasa din yung cam kay Sianed. And then kay Carl. Kaya nakita din sa view sina Jade, RJ, and Deron. Talagang enjoy na enjoy sila sa banana boat ride na to. Sayang nga lang at nagpaiwan si Gwen at Caleb. Siya nga pala, this banana boat ride will cost you around $250 per head. And I'm sure you're wondering how much the cost of the accommodation in this resort. Well, it ranges from 5,000 to 20,000, which depends per the number of packs and the type of accommodation. But they also accept day tour and the entrance fee is only 150 pesos per head. I added the link of their Facebook page on the comment below if you want to inquire for other details. Meron din silang grilling area dito. Ang daming food pero ito lang talaga nakuhanan kong video. After lunch, ayan, konting pahinga lang at babad ulit sa dagat. Talagang hindi mo sila mapipigilan sa pag-swimming. Ayan, may pa-dive pa si Deron. Ayan, maghapon yan. Kung hindi mo sila tatawagin, hindi sila makakaramdam ng gutom. Sa bandang hapon, lumalakas ng alon dito. Pero instead na matakot or sumuko sa lakas ng alon, ayan, enjoy na enjoy pa sila. At may technique pa silang nalalaman na pag andyan na yung alon ay wala kang gagawin kundi sabayan mo sa pagtalon ng alon. Pero alam nyo ba, eto si Gwen, iba din yung technique. Pag andyan na yung alon, tatakpan niya lang yung ilong niya. Di bali nang itaob siya nung alon. Ang saya, di ba? Ayan guys. Maghapon yan, walang katapusang tawanan, walang katapusang hiyawan. Ba't nga pala sila lang yung may videos? Asan kami? Di bale, no complaints as long as masaya sila. At nag-enjoy sila ng todo-todo ay sobrang saya na rin ng mga tatay at nanay. If you're going to visit pala this place, Aquasius is recommended dahil mabato sa may bandang dalampasigan. Pero after na malampasan nyo naman yung part na mabato, talagang maganda. And malinaw na yung tubig. Worth 12K pala yung accommodation na nakuha namin. And it has 3 double beds. May isang maliit na CR, walang ref or other kitchen. utensils, pero meron na aircon. And beachfront siya. Ang ayoko lang ay hindi masyadong malinis yung accommodation nila. Meron din silang dining area dito na ginamit namin during nighttime para sa karaoke and chill time. Thank you for watching!